Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Libby app. First, open the Libby app on your mobile device. If you don't already have it, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, the app will ask, do you have a library card? Choose yes, I have one if you already have a card. Or tap not yet if you need to set one up. Here, tap on Find Libraries Nearby to locate your nearest library. You'll see a map appear on the screen. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or out and find the branches around your area. Then, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. You can now search by library name, city name, or zip code to find your library. Once your library appears in the search results, tap on it to open its page. Next, you'll see an option to add your library card. This step connects your card to the app so you can borrow and download books easily. After adding your card, scroll down to explore the available collections. You'll find sections like biography and memoir, leadership, and more. Tap on any category to see a list of titles you can borrow or place on hold. Now, tap on the shelf button from the bottom menu. Here, you'll find options such as loans, where all your borrowed books appear, holds for books you're waiting on, and timeline to view your reading activity. Finally, explore other sections of the app to discover new books, get recommendations, or check your library's featured collections. With Libby, you can take your entire library wherever you go and enjoy reading anytime. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.